Hey, you put that popcorn back now.
Ha 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 ha. Now he would never find me.
Hey, get back here, idiot. Oh. Oh, that's it. I'm going to call the police.
Kurt Cobain. How dare you steal a popcorn? That's it. You are grounded for 25 weeks. Go to your room now. You can't. Mew 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 mew. Kurt Cobain. Shut the fuck up.